So in this video I will show you how to use Replit to build websites, apps and even games. Okay, so first go to replit.com, and after that all you need to do is create a free account or log in. So I will create a new account. You can also choose if you want to continue with starter or with these other plans. I will continue with starter. Now choose what you want to build. So if it's an app, you can choose right here. You can also choose the language like Python, Node or React. And for games, Replit supports engines and frameworks like Pygame and Unity integrations. So after selecting what you want to build, you can describe your idea right here. Okay, so I want a financial guide app for investments, and all you need to do is click right here on start. After that, Replit will automatically start creating your project. You can also collaborate with others in real time, just like Google Docs. And when you're done, you can deploy your app clicking on this button, publish, on the top right corner. And that's how you use Replit to build websites, apps and games. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.